I like to dedicate this to all of the creators right.
Hi you guys, so it is Saturday. It is officially 12:36. My appointment is at 1 for me to get my hair fixed. I'm gonna try to add a little bit more light so y'all can see it. This is how my hair looks now. It's still wrapped up, it's all over the place, but this is how my hair looks now. Let's get it straight. I'm so scared. I'm about to go. I'm waiting on my mom to come out the house because she's gonna go with me so we can vlog this thing and get it right, and y'all can see the process of what's going on. It's the first time I'm getting my hair straightened in 5 years, 5 whole years. I haven't put any heat to my head, and it's crazy. I haven't checked it besides, like, you know, pulling a string here and there. No length check, no nothing. So I'm excited, but I'm nervous at the same time because I get hot really, really easily, and I like kind of break out into nervous sweats because I don't like heat. It was one of the easiest things ever when I transitioned from, you know, heat to natural because I don't like heat. I've gotten burnt so many times from hot things. Like, I gotten burnt by hot curlers, I gotten burnt by hot coffee, just multiple things. So stay tuned. Hopefully I don't have to get, I'm just a try it because I hate y'all.